Dr. Aley! Yay! Learning science every day.
ACHOO. Oh, excuse me. Hey, friends. Have you ever wondered, why do we sneeze? It's a super cool science mystery. I'm Dr. Aley, and today, we're gonna find out together. All right, science adventurers, let's talk about our nose. Our nose is like a super smart guard at the gate of our body. And here's how they work. The cilia sweep the air, and the sticky mucus catches all the incoming dust and pollen like a Venus flytrap. Sometimes, too many dusty bad guys try to sneak in. Or maybe something really tickles those little broom hairs. Something is happening. When that happens, our nose sends a super fast message to our brain. It's like an alert button has been pushed. And guess what our brain says? Time for a big, powerful clean out. Then, ACHOO, we let out a super fast burst of air. That's a sneeze. It's like a tiny explosion that shoots out all those dusty bad guys and tickly stuff. So, sneezes are actually your body's way of keeping you clean and healthy. Pretty cool, huh? Thanks for joining me on this science adventure.